Hi, I'm Seng. So today I will teach you about how to give the commission to your staff using the Genius POS.
So go to the setting and then go to account type. So first we create, for example, the account name for 10% and you create for the 15% and then you click save. After that, you go to the account, you assign the commission level for them. For example, admin is 10% and save, and then staff 1 is 50% and then save. Now you go to the item that you want to give the commission when they sold it. So for example, pepperoni, I set for commission, for example, 10% means I get 10% each pepperoni I sold, and 15%, so I put 15 and 10. If, for example, if they say sell a pepperoni and got the commission for 1 ringgit, then you can set like this. But in this case, we set in the percentage first, and then click done and then click save. Okay, so you log in as an admin and then you go to the cash register. For example, admin sell 1 pepperoni and then I check out. Okay, then I log out and log in as a staff 1 and then I sell a pepperoni also. So let's make a comparison. Go to the report and then there will be the commission report and you generate it. So it will show the admin sell 1 pepperoni and staff 1 also sell a pepperoni with 12 ringgit, and then you can see the commission is 10% and 50%, so it's 1 ringgit and 20 cents and 1 ringgit and 80 cents. From here you can change the date, or you can select the, for example, I only want to see the staff admin only, so I generate report, then it will only show the admin staff. Okay, other than that, you can check on the performance report also. From here you can see that how many staff they taking the order and then they receive the payment. Okay, let's take an example for if you give the commission based on the price, not the percentage. So go to the item, the pepperoni, go to the commission. This time, for example, if I sell 1 pepperoni, I get 1 ringgit, and then if I sell a pepperoni for the staff 1, we'll get 2 ringgit, and I save. So same thing, now I log in as an admin and then I sell pepperoni, then log out again, I sell pepperoni as a staff 1, go to the report, commission report and generate. So it will show the third one, the pepperoni sell 1 is 12 ringgit and I will get the 1 ringgit the commission, and this one, the pepperoni, I get 2 ringgit, so I got 2 ringgit commission. That's all for today. Thank you.